Welcome back, meditators. It's day 3, and today we are going to focus on grounding ourselves by bringing our awareness to the body. This practice will help you feel more present and connected with yourself. If this is your first day, I will recommend starting from day 1. The link will be in the description. Now, find your most comfortable position and gently close your eyes. You can sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground or cross-legged on a cushion. Rest your hands gently on your knees or in your lap in a quiet and peaceful space. Keep your back upright but not uptight. Now bring your awareness inward. Begin to notice your breath as it is, without trying to change it. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. You're doing something truly powerful for yourself. Now let's start with a mindful breath in and a slow, relaxing exhale. Feel yourself supported by the ground beneath you. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Notice any sensations here: tightness, warmth, or even stillness. Whatever you feel, just observe it without judgment. We are simply observing without putting any labels. As we watch the clouds passing by in the sky, and do not judge if the cloud is small or big, beautiful or boring, we simply observe with curiosity. Bring that mindset to this practice. And if you find your mind is drifting, the first thing you can do is to simply relax. Then release the distraction, and then simply return to the object of focus. Now slowly, let your awareness move down to your forehead. Your eyes, and your jaw. Notice how these areas feel. Is there any tightness in the muscles in your face that you can release with each exhale? Continue scanning down your neck and into your shoulders. Allow them to soften and relax. Feel your arms resting gently, your hands either in your lap or by your sides. Now, bring your awareness to your chest. Feel the rise and fall with each breath. There's no rush, Just be here with your body. Now, move your awareness to your back and your rib cage. Notice how it moves in and out with each breath. Finally, move your awareness down to your legs, knees, and feet. Feel the connection between your body and the earth. Now, take one more mindful breath, and as you exhale, feel your whole body getting relaxed, grounded, and becoming more present. Beautiful job today. You've connected with your body in a way that brings you right into the present. Tomorrow, we'll deepen this connection by exploring the sensation in our body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. I cannot wait to guide you and continue this journey with you.